Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Mark LeMay. I am a chiropractor for the last 30 years and an applied clinical nutritionist. And today what I want to do is I want to share with you some things you can do to help with neck pain. Because a lot of times I see patients and they're like, what can I do so my neck doesn't hurt all the time? Well, here's what you can do. I'm going to show you how to do neck ball exercises, and I'm also going to show you how to assess that, and then also I'm going to show you how to stretch the upper trapezius muscle right in this area, because that's a main cause of pain for most people. So the first thing I want you to do is kind of assess where is it coming from, the pain. So there's 6 basic moves or ranges of motion that your neck goes through, which is right rotation, left rotation, right lateral flexion, left lateral flexion. Of course, that's my view from looking at you guys. And then, of course, flexion and extension. So when you're trying to figure out where is the pain coming from, so try rotating your head to the right and see if you're feeling it coming from this side over here or even on this side. Turn it to the left, kind of see where you can go. I mean, if you're noticing, oh, I can only go this far here, okay, there might be something going on over on this side here or this side. So you just have to feel for where it is. And again, same with like lateral flexion, side to side, and then flexion extension. So if you know what that is, it's like where the pain is coming from, then what I do, and this is a great idea I got from a physical therapist probably over 10 years ago, and it was such a great idea. I've used it ever since. You can get what's called a Gertie ball, which are these kind of flexible, soft balls that they use on playgrounds. They work great for doing the neck ball exercise because you're going to put this in a position to be able to turn your head with a little bit of resistance, so it works both the muscle and the range of motion of that muscle. And we have a really nice sheet that you can look down below here, and you'll be able to pull that up again. So it has all the different neck ball exercises in the order that you want to do them. And you can go on my website and look up neck ball exercises. I take you through this whole protocol right here of how to do that. So now if you don't have one of these at home or you don't want to buy one like that, if you go to the store and you can find like, those kind of cheap plastic balls that you see in the YouTube channels where everybody dives into them and stuff like that and get hurt. Those are the kind of balls we're talking about. They will work in a pinch. Now the other thing you can do is stretching the upper trapezius muscle right here, this big muscle right at the very top of the shoulders. So to do that, what you do is you put your hand behind. So we're going to stretch this left side here. Hand behind your back, and what you're going to do is you're going to pull your arm this direction like this as you tip your head to the opposite direction. So you'll feel that muscle stretch when you do that. Again, this is something you're going to do for at least about a minute. And again, you can also tip your head forward. You'll even feel more of a pull on that side right there. And then, of course, you do the same thing on the opposite side. Hand behind your back, pulling you this direction. Tip your head the opposite direction for a minute. And then tip your head forward. So you can do this both at the same time. So 1 minute of head forward and to the side, and just really stretch those muscles out. I remember doing this when I was in baseball. These were some great stretches for the upper portion of the back and neck. So I hope you found that helpful. If you did like this video, give us a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And again, click on the notification bell so you can find out when we have new content coming out every single week. So I hope you found that helpful, and we'll see you next time.